2022 Ram 2500. With less than 27,000 miles on the odometer, this pickup truck offers 2 full rows of seating for premium comfort. You won't be able to pass up on these extra features: Wi-Fi hotspot, satellite radio, 4-wheel drive, heated side view mirrors, backup camera, tinted windows, power driver seat, pass-through rear seat, rain sensing wipers, Bluetooth, brake assist, keyless start, keyless entry, front bucket seats, steering wheel audio controls. Call us, we'll help you take home your favorite vehicle.